And good evening. Welcome. We are live here at NAS Cricket Stadium for MPL Sunday Power Hitter Season 2. A semi-final to be played between Dubai Nighthawks against Blackstorm. Both the captain are with us. We will go for the toss.
First of all, I would like to appreciate Tahir, who is behind the success of this tournament. So he's a guy who worked really hard for the success of this tournament. So on the right side is the Dubai Nighthawks, on the left side is the Black Storms. It's a big clash, big clash between the two strong teams. Let's go for the toss. Go for the toss. Who is going to flip the coin? Hasnan Bhai is going to flip the coin. Heads the call, and tail it is. Blackstorm win the toss. Hasnan Bhai, first of all, बहुत मुबारकबाद हो, बहुत बड़ा मैच है. उसमें आप टॉस जीते हैं, क्या करना चाहेंगे?
We'll bat first.
Any specific reason behind batting first?
We'll put a good target, and hopefully our bowling side is strong, so we'll defend that target.
What is the expected total in your mind?
We are expecting something around between 190 to 210.
210.
Yeah.
210 is a magic number. What's the reason behind 210?
210, like it's a good total. Above 200, anything above 200, it will be a good total for us.
You are famous for the trump card. Who is the trump card today in your team?
In our team, Zishan is playing. He's a good hitter, and Imran Javed is playing, and Tayyib Bilal is playing. We are hoping this player will give us a good backup in bowling and fielding as well.
It's your second tournament at NAS Cricket Stadium. So how's overall your feeling regarding the tournament? And secondly, what are you expecting from the pitch today? It will be batting friendly pitch, or it will be bowling friendly pitch?
Actually, I saw the wicket. It's looked like a good batting track, and that's why I won the toss and I batted first. And hopefully we'll defend it like if we'll reach 200, and hopefully we'll defend that total.
Dubai Nighthawks.
And it was a great journey in this tournament. First we won 3 matches, then we lost 2 matches, then again we came back in this tournament. So I hopefully will win it today, and we'll play a final.
Okay. Dubai Nighthawks is the last time champion of MPL Sunday 1. Do you have any pressure regarding this? Like you are having the match with last time champion?
Not really. We are not looking at team. We are just focusing on our team, and we are playing in our strength. So hopefully our strength will work out today, and then we'll win this match.
Okay, Hasnan Bhai, best of luck for the match.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So
now, Tokir Bhai, on a big day, you lost the toss. Is there any impact like overall on your planning? Like have you planned that you will be going to lose the toss?
I planned for both scenarios because even if we do batting second, I think we have a strong batting side. We have a good 7 batsmen. I don't think so. Chasing 200, 210 is going to be a problem.
Today you don't have the Iqbal Shah, the main strike bowler. So do you feel his absence today in this match, or like it will be like another day for you? You have a backup Noor Khan as well.
There are a couple of pacers missing. So Osman is also in Pakistan, and Iqbal is also in Pakistan. So we do have a backup as Noor. But still, we are missing one very good pacer like Shaji, Iqbal Shah.
Do you have any plans to start the match with the spin, or like you will going with the pace?
Probably spin.
And like you have a different plans for the Blackstorm. Blackstorm really is a good side.
Yes.
They have a long batting lineup. So
we played with like half of the team together before, so we know the players' strength. We know the players very well. So
you will be having a lot of expectation from Junaid and Mazhar, because they are the old player and along with Saqib. So what's your message to the guys today?
Junaid and Mazhar are the sort of backbone for our team. So they can come late and they can achieve the target coming late into the pitch, and they can go for hit, and they can even rotate if it's required. So they are sort of backbone, both of them. Very experienced player, been with us for years and years. And for Saqib and other players, they just have to play their natural game. Their natural game is above 170 strike rate hitting. So they just play their
what do you think? Like Blackstorm, a strong batting lineup. At what score you will be going to restrict them?
Under 200.
Under 200.
Ideally.
On this pitch with the hand stitch premium ball is going to spin. Do you think the 200 will be chaseable in the second inning with the dew?
I think so. Our batting strength is too much. I think they can easily achieve above 200.
Okay. Best of luck, Tokir Bhai, for the match.
Thank you.
News from Center is Blackstorm win the toss, and they have elected to bat first.